Alrighty. We're up, we're running, we're doing things. What's going on with Bitcoin? Bitcoin's gonna take a hot minute to get ready, isn't it? LDO is crushing. Nice. Nice. Love to hear that. This little area is our point of interest when it comes to Bitcoin. Looking for it to come down and test. Anywhere between 19,823 and 19,522. Interesting. Interesting. So Bitcoin pulling back a little bit. We're already in a trade. I got into a trade this morning that's taking a little bit of time to play out. Well, I'm trading ton at the moment. You can see that right here. We're up 32% on a 20x long. Profit taking's all the way up here. So we might be in this for a hot minute. We might be in it for a hot minute. But I'm looking for other trades to get into, especially over on BloFin. So, or not BloFin. Yeah, actually, I could do it on BloFin too. But ByDFi. So I'm on the search. I'm on the prowl, looking for him. Well, this is neat. If we can get Ethereum to come back down to this level at 42,663, this might be really nice. We might want Ethereum. Or we just break out of this. If we break out of this real quickly, we could see 4,465. Ethereum's looking really strong. Really, really strong. We're going to pull back right now. I'm just a little bit worried about my ton trade. A little bit. Mr. Cheeks, how you doing today? Welcome in. Welcome in. Are you trading today or are you just holding? I don't know. You mentioned live. I kind of want to look and see what it's doing. Kind of want to look and see what it's doing. No, it's not bad. Up 9% on the day. Not bad. Almost hitting that 103% target that we had for it. Not too shabby. Not too shabby. You're almost there. Almost at that 618. Really close. You did hit the 1618 and you're still continuing. Solid. We can get rid of that. That doesn't matter. Holding? Nice. Nice. Well, if you're just holding, you might be in this one for the long haul. Because now we're looking at a major breakout after a double bottom. Just remember, we still could come back down around this level at $1.89. So just remember that. Pepe's king. Let's check out Pepe's chart. Let's see if I could trade that. Is Pepe on the watch list? It is. I still can't trade it. It's sitting right on top of that 50 simple on the daily, though. It's setting up for something. Just taking a long time to do it. Let's check it on the 1 hour. 1 hour is good for upside. 1 hour is really good for upside. Oh, hold up. Wait, we might actually be able to play with this. Hold the phone here. Because we have this beautiful level right here that's acting as a support. We're bouncing on it right now. That's great. As long as we can maintain that, I'll feel really good about it. Let's check your 15. Are we low? Ooh, 15 not low. I wouldn't short it though. Looks like you're about to get a confirmation low after this drop. I would not short this. Yeah, it looks like, because we got oversold, we get that higher low and the confirmation. This could actually be really good trade setup. We're sitting in the orb right now. If Bitcoin stops being so poopy on the market, you might have an opportunity here on Pepe to break out. Sweet. All you want to do is maintain this. Eventually it'll be #1 meme coin. Oh boy. Oh no. You guys are, oh no. You guys are in cahoots. Oh, it's not good. It's not good. So what? We go from this high? We might see price get back up to 1206 right now. If we confirm our low, I might want to take a little poke at this. That's a 3.42%. It's not bad. If we get all the way back down here, that's a 4.9%. That might be worthwhile. Just might be worthwhile. But we need Ethereum to play ball. Ethereum is pulling back still. What I would not like to see out of Ethereum is breaking this level. I would like to see it hold that level. And Bitcoin, these are the two levels I really want to see it hold so that we can continue on our bullish day. I'm going to be right back. I got to go help the family. Got to log them back into Netflix, apparently. I'll be right back. We're watching Bitcoin dive down. We're keeping an eye on Ton token here, making sure we don't start going too poopy doopy. And we're back. And we're back. Oh, Bitcoin's starting to catch a little bounce here. A little bounce a doodle. We might be able to jump into Bitcoin here. We just might. So if Bitcoin gets a continuation, this is going to get crazy. Because continuation's 124K. We just almost got to that 50% retrace. But if we're putting in a higher low right now, this is going to be a really good start. 5 minute looks good. Looks really, really good. But we can only do it from here. Right there. $15, not very desirable. 1 minute. Ooh, wait a minute. Bullish div on the 1 minute. Let's go. Let's go, buddy. Oh, that's a 1% move. Let's go, buckaroo. All right, let's do it over here. Let's do it over here. Bitcoin. Let's go 150. Yeah. Let's see how this goes. Oh, we're on 150x. What's our liquidation price? 120.94. Can we get it below that? Oh, that's a problem. That's a no, that's not liquidation. Hold on. 119.619. Oh, shoot. I have a very tight stop loss here. There we go. No, Pump will take over Pepe. Oh, here we are. Talking about Pump now? Alright, playing off the 1 minute bullish divergence. Where? Hold on. Where the why can't I pull out fibs? How strange. I thought I could on this chart. This chart's mediocre. Chart's mediocre. 121,341. 121,341. Why does this look so weird? Three, four, 4. I guess we're going with 4. All right, we're in 150x long here on Bitcoin. So let's watch and see if it works, or if we get pooped on. We have an extremely tight stop loss. Extremely tight. I don't even know what my percentage is of winning and losing it, but we'll see how it goes. We're still coming down on this one. Oh no. Oh no. Probably should have waited for the breakout. Probably should have waited for the breakout. Where is my stop? $119,778. There we are. 119,778 is the stop loss, and here's the profit taking right here. Oh, let's watch Bitcoin work. Let's watch it work. Only reason I jumped into this one is because it's a full 1%. What up, all? How's everyone doing? Doing really good, Rob. Doing really good. We are currently 150x long on Bitcoin. We're also 20, 10, and 15x long on Ton token. So this is the Bitcoin setup right now. As long as we maintain above these lows, we're sitting pretty. We go below it, well, we're getting stopped out. But the Ton trade, this one's probably going to take a bit longer. We're looking for the whole 7% here. You had a nice breakout back test, confirmation lows. This has all the stuff that makes me want the entire 7%. So we're in this over here. You can see it right here on BloFin. We are up 34%. So the benefit of having multiple exchanges is that I can get into trades on multiple different things all at the same time. But I'm in Ton token for a lot of different exchanges right now. A lot of different exchanges. You can see this. You can see it. Yeah, we're out here doing things. This one's Ton also. Awesome, love to see it. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. And we're in the green on Bitcoin. Let's go, baby. We're in the green and everything in between. But yeah. We just entered this Bitcoin trade. Just got into it. Oh, so we need to watch it. Wait. Expect great things. Expect a 1% move out of the corn. Our saving grace. How's everyone's day starting out? How's your Monday? Hopefully that pullback last night didn't stop everybody out. So I was live last night, and I was mentioning we were either going to get a pullback today or tomorrow. Luckily, we got it today. So that's kind of great. Gave us great entries. Considering overnight we pumped so hard, by the end of the day, it wouldn't be weird if we pumped all the way up to 124, 161. Would not be a weird scenario at all. But you know what? I'm just playing the 1618 here. If it continues, cool. That's not in the trading plan. That's not how I like to trade. We're not just out here shooting for the fences, leaving our high leverage trades open forever. We don't do that. We stick to the plan. We stick to the plan. Uh-oh. Things are looking bad again. Oh no, Larry. Oh no. Going down for sure. We're going down. Now, if we get a confirmation of this low, I'm still okay with that. We'll be in the red for a little bit, but getting that double bottom on the 1 minute, that's going to be nice. Maintaining bullish divergence would be even better. Stick to the higher lows. Would be even better. Oh, man. Wow. People must have work. Yesterday's live trading had way more people. Or everybody's just staying away from the market because they don't like the volatility. Who knows? Who knows? Let's see. I'm tired. So what do you guys think? Market gonna send us back down to 119.522? Or do we hold this level? Acted as such good support over here for the breakout. What's my favorite trading platform, or which do you use most? I think I use Weeks the most. But I honestly, I'm starting to use all four of these pretty much the exact same amount. Right now, I'm using BloFin a heck of a lot more than I was before. I like the UI here. The best UI, honestly, though, is probably BitUnix. BitUnix, as soon as you enter a trade, shows you your liquidation price right on the screen. That's beautiful. I love that. I really do love that. It's also giving you buy and sell point. What the hell is that? Hold on. I don't know what these little B and S's are. Giving you buy and sell markers? I didn't realize that before, but that's cool. Either way, we're sitting here not only on BitUnix, BloFin, we're also on ByDFi, we're also on Weeks. I'm using all of them. I'm using all of them. You think we hold? I think we hold too. I think we hold too. I am negative on the trade though, so that's unfortunate. That's unfortunate. We're negative right now. We're negative. We shall see. Can we get some people in here trying to short Bitcoin? That would really help me out. Actually, I didn't even check out the liquidation heat map today. Hold on. Let's check this out. Good morning, Alex. Hef, how you doing? Welcome in. Wow. Wow, Long's been getting taken out today. Sheesh. We still have some liquidity to the downside, but it looks like shorts are starting to pop in here too. Let's check the weekly. Maybe I should start looking at this before I enter trades. That might help. It might help. That could be like all those other YouTubers who trade solely based on the heat map or book map or whatever else shows liquidity. Who knows? Maybe I should do that. I feel like I'm just trading on hard mode out here. So for those of you who are just entering the stream, we're currently on 150x long on Bitcoin, looking for a 1% gain. You bullish on Doge? Well, I'm not bearish on Doge. I'm not bearish on really anything in the crypto space. So I guess the easy answer is yes. Yeah. And we got some time. It's like looking at paint dry right now. Whoa, wait a minute. Maybe I should have been trading Doge. What are you bouncing off of? Oh, shit. Hold on. Probably should be trading Doge right now, honestly. I probably should be trading this. This looks good on the 5 minute. See it on the 1 hour. Well, looks pretty good on the 1 hour. You're below the VWAP. Let's check it on the 15. This is going to dictate on the day. Does not look bad on the day. Holy. Got a little fake out pullback coming back up. Let's check your 4 hour. What are you bouncing off of? Oh, you're still above the 200. Nice. Nice. And you're getting that confirmed breakout? Very interesting. Oh, even more interesting. The area in which you're utilizing as a support. This right here. You don't want to stay below this little box for too long. You really want to get back above it. If you can end the day above this box, that's going to be amazing. Otherwise, you have a level just below you that could hold you up, which is this right here. Oh, and it did. You already tapped it. Sweet. Love Hashira, what is up? How you doing? Welcome back. How are things? How's work? How's life? What's going on? Doge looking good. Kind of want a long. I mean, yeah. Considering we don't really care too much about this level, we care a lot more about this lower level. We tapped it. This looks good. Staying above the 200 on the 4 hour, though. That's really the best part about Doge at the moment. Doge looks pretty good. You almost hit your 618 already. We're looking for the continuation to the upside. So 35 cents is really the target here. I would love it if it came back down to 21,986. I would absolutely love it down there. I guess we'll see how the day ends. We're in Chop City right now. Chop City. Hopefully this chop ends soon, though. Hopefully it ends soon. I don't want to spend another 3-hour live stream just staring at the chart doing nothing. I don't want to have another day like that. Yesterday was tough. Great. How are things with you? I'm doing great. Doing great. We're live trading right now. We're on high leverage for Bitcoin, lower leverage for Toncoin. You know, just trying to make another dollar, be able to afford a Happy Meal. You know, no big deal. No big deal. Yeah, the trades look fine today. They look fine. We're mostly worried about Bitcoin at the moment. Mostly worried about Bitcoin. But it's trying to reset its stochastic on the 1 minute. And we just got our confirmed low. Sweet. So if we start popping up here, we have to break above this level at 120, 168. We have to break above that. If we don't break above it, strong possibility we see lower prices. But I think we're going to be okay. I think we're going to be okay. I like that low confirmation. That's a good sign. Really good sign. Just don't cross it now, Bitcoin. Just don't cross it. Oh boy. Stochastic's trying to help us out a little bit. It's trying. Aw, man. Bitcoin's out for violence. That's not nice. That's not nice at all. Oh, now's the time where we raise our stop loss, though. Because we're thinking this was a confirmation low, stop loss goes right there. So raising the stop loss, one of the more important things about trading here. We want to lessen the amount we could lose. If this is a confirmation low, we're expecting this to be the low of the day. Does not go below that. And we should be able to take full profit. We'll see how the market treats us. Whether they treat us like an ugly stepchild, want to be nice to us, or, you know, we'll see. We'll see. But we're looking for upside now. Looking for that upside. Let's go, Bitcoin. Let's go. Woo, woo. So remember, guys and ladies, if we see these confirmation lows on Bitcoin and Bitcoin does start to rally, expect your altcoins to go with it. So we're going to see Bitcoin go up. We're going to see Ethereum go up. We're going to see literally the whole market get pulled up with it if we are bullish. If we go bearish, well, it's going to be a dark day for all of the alts. So just, you've been warned. You've been warned. All right, let's see it juice on up there, baby. Juice on up there. We're back in the green. New 1 hour candle. Let's get this thing moving. So I'm thinking, since we're on the 1 minute time frame, I won't have to be here that long for this to play out. And then I could be like, watch me make 150% on a trade live on stream, because I guess a lot of people just don't believe that I do trade as often as I do. So you know what? We might as well get the haters quiet. You know? We might as well. Oh boy, on ByDFi, we're still not in the green? What? They're getting me. They're getting me. Also, so you guys know, when this trade executes, there's an extraordinarily high probability I'm going to just get off stream and I'll come back later tonight. Very high probability. Because that's normally my trading style. It's like, we had a new 4 hour candle. We had a large pullback last night. I'm thinking now we can see the continuation to the upside and we could rally on. It's just, I usually get in, get my trade, and then I make whatever I'm going to make, and then I walk away. Just walk away until the end of the day, and then I look for another trade at the end of the day. If it's a really good day, there's high volatility, I might get into 2 or 3 trades in the same day, but I'm already in Toncoin. We already showed that right here, and now we're trading Bitcoin. So that's my 2 trades. I don't need more. I really don't need more. And then once you start getting too greedy, you start losing a lot of money. It turns into a bad time. It's just not a good time. So this is my trading style. This is how I like to do things. You guys can copy it or do whatever you like, but I usually say, hey, if you can pull out at least $300 a day, you're probably going to be doing relatively well. Relatively well. Because if you can do that all 30 days in the month, that equates to $9 grand a month. Just extra income for very little work, all because you're looking for either double tops or double bottoms. Seems pretty easy. Do it, just do it. Right. Oh man. What is this? What the hell is next? Oh, I have bots commenting on one of my videos? God damn it. That's frustrating. That's frustrating. Who is this? The amount of companies trying to give me business funding. Oh, wait. What? Line of credit starting at 1 to 3% monthly. Monthly? No. No. That sounds awful. God, the compounding on that would be horrendous. That'd be so bad. 1 to 3% monthly? Oh, God. Are people taking that? That sounds so bad. Could you imagine that? Okay, so I borrow. Let's see what that equates to actually. Monthly. So let's say you decided to utilize 10K. All right? And then let's go with monthly. There we go. And let's say it's 3% monthly. Let's put it over the course of 12 months. What is the interest on that? Oh my god. They're trying to extort $4,333 from me? That's insane. First time in your live, buddy. What's up, Steve Hickey? How you doing? Welcome in. That would be ridiculous. Monthly. Oh my. Get over the... That's so much. Oh man. Good morning, K-Say. Hey, how you doing? How you doing? That's so much. Are people falling for that? I've never seen something show me a monthly interest rate. I've never seen that. God, 3% times 12. That's so incredibly. That's over 30%. That's 36% interest. Ugh. So terrible. And since it's compounding, it's even worse. Dumb marketing ploy. You know somebody fell for it too. You know someone fell for it. Sorry, if you guys are wondering what I'm freaking out about, I just got an email from some company trying to give me business funding and credit, a line of credit starting from 1 to 3% monthly. Apparently that's one of many packages I've got for you, SMBs, along with term loans and MCAs. What? No! It's ridiculous. Porky, man, how bad is your credit? My business has 0 credit. I have not pulled out any business funding. That's just the going rate if you want lines of credit. It's absolutely ridiculous. But yeah, my business technically has no credit history. So I don't even know why I'm getting these offers, if I'm being honest, because I haven't applied for anything either. How's your morning? Morning's going pretty darn well. It would be better if we broke out, but Bitcoin's being a little turd right now. Just being a little turd. Doesn't want to break out for me. Being under the 200 on the 1 minute, it's kind of rough. But I think we're going to get a nice little move to the upside. The 5 minute is what's holding me together right now. The 5 minute. Because we managed to get above the 50 simple. Now we're utilizing it as resistance, but we have that low stochastic to work with. So I do think we're about to see a nice little push, but we're just waiting for it. Just waiting. I moved my stop loss up considerably. So we literally can't go any lower than what we've done. Otherwise, we get stopped out. Yeah, I remember I saw last year while the interest rates were like hitting peak levels, they were trying to get business funding for me to take out business funding as well. They were like, we have really good offers starting at 6 to 8%. I was like, yeah, right. For business funding? There ain't no way I'm taking out any of that. There's no possible way. The only way I'm taking out any type of loans for my business is at maybe a 1% interest rate. Maybe. That's the highest I'll go. That's literally the highest. Give me that 0% interest, I'm in. Let's do it. Or 0% interest for the first 2 years. Okay, we can pull out some funds, but outside of that, nah. I ain't touching business funding. Not right now. Not while the Fed wants to be little jerks and like, oh, we're just not lowering rates because reasons. Not doing that. Are we getting the high or low? What are we doing here, Bitcoin? What are we doing? Hey, Porky, joined. How we looking overall? Overall, we're looking great. We pulled back into buying zones. We just need Wall Street to figure that out. That's really what we need. We need Wall Street to figure it out. They haven't quite figured it out yet. So we're over here waiting for Bitcoin to break out. We hit a low, confirmed a low. This could be our higher low, and then we could see Bitcoin take a nice 1% run. If we do get that 1% to the upside, the altcoins are going to start looking way more attractive. Way more attractive. We're on 150x long on this one right now, so let's hope this bearish cross doesn't hold us down. We're currently down 14%, 15%. We're just here waiting. Ready and waiting. But other than that, we are trading ton token. We're up 31% on this trade. We're still looking for it to come all the way up here. We're just fighting with some resistance right now as Bitcoin chops around and figures out if it wants to break out or not. So looking like we might get stopped out, which is unfortunate, but that just means we wait a little bit longer. So too bad. First trade looking poopy doopy. Now we see if we come all the way down to 119.522. If we get down there, then hey, a lot more upside could be a lot more upside could be coming, because that would be a confirmation low of the 15-minute time frame. But that also means we're probably not going to see new highs today. Maybe tomorrow, maybe overnight, who knows, but not today. Looks like we're getting stopped out. That's too bad. So we lost a little bit on that one. Order history, we just sold. Trade history, position history. So we just lost a whole $5. Unfortunate. It's too bad. So yeah, we wait. Now we see, where are we going to find support next? Could it be at this 119.823 level or not? Either way, now I need it to break out and confirm the low again, which we don't have time for this. I got time for this. Alright, we're breaching it. Where do we stop from here? But overall, I'm still looking to go long. Still looking for longs. I don't think it's the right time to go short. Oh, if we left our stop loss at the original spot, probably would have been okay right now. But, oh well. Either way, making a lower low than these two, that just means continuing to the downside. If we stop right here, that's going to be really frustrating. That'll be really frustrating. Where do we go? Hit the measured there. Does it continue? Does it continue? It's going. Should I be using the trending fib? Oh shit. It could come all the way down here? Okay, this might be a danger zone for our ton trade. That's not good. Alright, we're catching bids again. We got oversold once again. So your RSI in the 1 minute is showing bullish divergence. That's a good sign. Now we need a breakout. That is a confirmed backtest, but now we need a breakout. And then we're going to need more confirmation. Ugh, frustrating. Frustrating. It gave me a liquidation warning. I'm already out of the trade. What? What are we doing here, Doc? So yeah, don't feel bad for me that I lost $5. We're still up 300 on the day. We're doing okay. All right, guys? We're still up 300 in this account. We're doing A-okay. What a bounce right there. Solid. Oh, this is going to take forever. What's Ethereum doing now? Did you confirm a level? Hasn't quite gotten to my entry. We're bouncing on the VWAP. Okay. Well, that's neat. How low can we go? What? Do we only do 100x today? I don't know. I don't know. Oh, that's why. Got a wick right there. Got a wick right there. Let's see if this is going to be a confirmation or a back test or what exactly. What exactly going on here, man? Oh boy. You bought BMNR last week and end up 50% stocks acting like crypto these days. That's crazy. That's actually crazy. Yeah, the volatility has been really interesting in the stock market lately. You're right. It is acting a lot more like crypto. It's kind of weird. So either the market's really illiquid and they can just move the price around really easily, or it's really that bullish. Like, it's kind of one or the other at this point, right? Do we play the bullish div? Do we play the bullish div? Because right this moment, we're looking for a 618 golden retrace. We can get rid of this alert because it doesn't matter anymore. We still got to confirm our low, which is the annoyance. What? This could be a 0.5% move? I don't know there, Larry. I don't know. Goodness gracious, Bob. What are we going to do here? What are we going to do? I mean, I kind of feel like it would be harder for it to fall further, right? I guess we can take a little poke at it. Take a little gander here. What's our liquidation price? 119,346. Let's see if we hold this area. And we're going to focus on the 618, 120,366. 120,366. Three, 6, 7. Why not? Let's see how we do. Are we going to keep on falling? Are we going to go find support at that level down there? Or are we good? We do have a level at 19,522. I just don't know if they want to test it or not. Don't know if they want to test it. Oh, the bullish div on the 1 minute is what's giving me this impression that they might want to push it up. Reality, we probably could rally all the way up to 121.53. But I think we're going to come up, get a confirmation, and then go. No telling. No telling. No telling. The goal here is to try and make $5 back. $5. $5. 5 whole buckaroos. Dang, man. They really don't want to give it to us, do they? Well, if we lose this trade, I'm also done for the day, so... Oh, we'll see how it goes. We'll see how it goes. You know, you win some, you lose some. We then trade again at the end of the day. I'm going to leave my ton trade open all day, though. I'm going to leave this one open. This one looks really good, in my opinion. It was like on the 1 hour. This thing looks great. Had a nice downtrend, breakout, backtest, confirmation low. I think it's going to have a hard time getting back below this level. So I do think this one's going to make the 7% move. So I'm going to leave this one open. But if this Bitcoin trade dies right now, well, we're going to just chalk it off as, okay, we lost today. We move on to the next day. Yeah, remember how I mentioned last night I'm going to start doing more live stream trading? This is a part of that. So we're right now playing around with Bitcoin. We're on 150x, and we are trying to get a 618 golden retrace. If we make this trade, we'll wait for the confirmation low, and then we will get into a second trade. But if we get stopped out right now, the stream's probably about to end. So, you know, no work today. My work schedule is, I'm a trainer, man. I only train people whenever they want to train. So I trained already once this morning. I got to go back there again at 5:30 tonight. Yeah, my busier day is going to be on Wednesday, I believe. There from like 6:30 in the morning to around 11:30 or 12 in the afternoon. Then I'm back there again at like 4:30 at night, finish at 6:30. And yeah, Wednesday and Friday are looking like my more busy days. Tuesday, Thursdays, I don't do much. I have like a 6:30 in the morning. Usually I'm taking care of the kids, but now my mom can help out a lot, take care of the kids. So I get to focus on trading as well as working out and finding more clients if I feel like it. Yeah. Yeah, it just gets rough around like next month. Next month we'll probably get a lot more busy. That's when all the housewives have their kids going back to school and they're like, oh my god, I have time again. So then they go work out. So it's like, okay, cool. Got more clientele, got more cash coming in, but you trade a lot of hours for that. And then also around Halloween, people want to get in shape for Halloween when they have the extra money and they're going to be going out and stuff. Then the really, really busy time comes around March. Because around March is when people who really want to look good for the summer, that's when they start focusing in and locking in. And they're like, oh no, I need to start training yesterday. Oh shit. So March gets pretty busy. And then it usually dies off during the summer. Because people are already in shape for the summer. They're out partying and shit. Do I check out other coins? Pepe. Oh, Steve, you definitely want to come to the evening stream. If you end up looking at any of my other streams, you'll notice, like, yeah, we take all requests during those other streams, just not when I'm doing the day trading stuff. Day trading stuff, that's usually when I'm just focused on these day trades. So I'll look a lot at Bitcoin, I'll look a lot at whatever other trade I'm in. But as for, like, requests to go into stuff like that, not really. But I did it earlier on Pepe. Pepe looks like it's getting ready for a move. We just have to wait and see if now's the time or if it's going to be later. What time? Usually it's, what, 10 hours from now? Yeah, in 10 hours. So 8 p.m. Pacific Standard, around that time. You should join the Discord. You get notified every time I go live. join the Discord. It's a free Discord. I also usually will post trade setups when I find them. So then you can also be in the know of when things look really good for stuff going up. Yesterday, was it yesterday, day before, or something like that, I ended up posting the Ethereum trade. Did Ethereum play all the way out? I don't know. Yeah, I posted this one where you can see it was on the... Whoa. Where the fuck? Hold on. It was on the verge of breaking when I put... Oh, that's why. That's funny. Was on the verge of breaking. And then, what happened with Ethereum, actually? I need to look at it. Hey, Bitcoin's starting to move. Let's go. Didn't make it, but we're consolidating and pushing up again. So it looks like that 4% is going to play out. But you would have been in the trade yesterday. Would have been in it yesterday. I probably should have posted my ton trade this morning. I really should have. I didn't. My bad, guys. My bad, guys. I forgot. I was getting ready for work and I saw the trade and I was like, oh shit, let me get into this. And then I walked out the door. Oh, where's the link to your Discord? Sorry, I'm a rookie at this. Oh, we have in the description on this live stream, if you just scroll down to where it says Discord, it's right there. Support the channel, join the community. I'll just link it. Copy. Join the Discord, people. It's a great place to be. Great place to be. Join us. Join us. You going live later tonight? Of course I am. Of course. That's where I can get all of your guys' requests and we get to see how the day ended. Of course I am. I was debating on doing a live stream while I just search for different cryptos to like jump into trade setups, but you guys don't normally like that, so I'm not doing that. But I was thinking about it. I was really thinking about it. Looking forward to it. Nice. But yeah, I keep track of all the different things that I take requests on. So like this was last night. Just an idea for you how many we covered. Well, all of these tickers. So we cover a lot in the lives. We cover a lot. A whole lot. I'm in. No problem, man. No problem. Anytime. Oh, okay. Say hey, asking where the take profits on ETH were. Image was put up. Image was up. Bitcoin really chopping around at these lows. It's turning into a bit of a problem, isn't it? Bitcoin just don't want to be nice to us. Zora is crazy. That coin 13x. Sweet. Is it ready to short? Is it ready? Can I even trade Zora? I'm guessing something like this would have it. We can leverage it. That's fantastic. Oh, that's great. Find a coin like that and write it up. You should understand, most of the time with those things, the only reason they're pumping that hard is to convince people to buy in. Like, it's really hard to find those tokens. It's really, really hard. That's why we do TA, to find the lows, and then all of a sudden it's like you're in the trade for 3 weeks before it actually starts moving. Then you're like, oh man. By the time you sell, it starts running. It's like, well, all the reaccumulation already happened. That's why I like leverage so much. You never have to chase the pumps. You just chase the little moves. Oh man. Well, it looks like Bitcoin's choosing more violence. That's unfortunate. So this was fun. So sad. 2 losing trades in a row. Tough morning. Or afternoon. No, it's the morning still. I guess around 1 o'clock I should try again. Too bad. Too bad. Unless we confirm our low and we actually start moving. But I don't think they're going to do that. I think they want to push it down to this 119.522. Or maybe even as low as 19.382 to confirm the lows from last night. Too bad. Imagine was up. It's okay, Porgy. I have a ton already. Nice. I'm not worried about the ton trade whatsoever. It's just the 150x longs right now on Bitcoin. They are stopping me out left and right. By left and right, I mean 2 trades. And, it's frustrating, but we're not losing much money. This is one of the accounts I wanted to try and grow into something crazy, but slow beginnings. Slow beginnings. We're still up 276 in this account as well, so we're okay. It's just, man, would like to see more bullishness out of Bitcoin right now. Would really like to see more bullishness. And now our target's off since we did make a slightly lower low. Target's off. Things are looking like poop. We got the bullish div on the 1 minute. We have triple bullish divergence now. We're starting to go up. Can we get a higher low? Who do we got to pay off for a higher low? Do we got to talk to Jim Cramer? Do we have to have Cramer go out there and tweet crypto's going to zero? That would probably help. Where's Cramer? Let's get him on the phone. I'm hungry too. Damn. It's not good. It's not good. Well, anyways, after this stream is over, I'm going to start combing through the markets, seeing what might be good entries, what might not be, and see if we can short things, go long. I'm looking for longs, honestly. But I think ZBZN is going to be the first one I stare at. ZBZN. Ooh, probably Cookie as well. Holy. Thing's down 9% right now. See where Pangu's at. Sui. I'm thinking I'm going to be posting a lot of charts today. Be ready for spam in the Discord, everybody. Be ready for the spam. It might be a lot. It might be a lot. Most of the trade setups are probably going to be on the 4-hour time frame as well. So understand, if it looks good for a swing trade, that means you could probably be in the trade on multiple, and I mean multiple different times on the 15-minute time frame, so you can really compound your trades. Bitcoin getting new hope. Getting new hope. We're still not stopped out, so that's good. By the way, guys, if you want some amazing sign-on bonuses, currently we have great bonuses between ByDFi and BloFin. If you're a trader, ByDFi is good, but BloFin's way better. If you trade a lot, you get 20% cash back on your trades. I believe it might be on the fees. I'm not all the way sure if it's on your positions. That can go toward your trading fees. That could also go toward whatever else. But you get free money to trade with, essentially. There are some rules and conditions in here. You got to keep your money in your account for about 3 days. But hey, that's a confirmed breakout. Oh shit. I think we're actually good. I think we're going to make this move. Cool. 618 is what I'm looking for right now. 618. It's basically the same spot. We're good. Sweet. When it comes to ByDFi, if you deposit up to $5,000, you can get up to $1,000 in a trading bonus. You get to utilize those funds for trading, but also you get to withdraw all of your gains. So I do think both of those are very worthwhile when it comes to getting onto an exchange. Take the freebies, enjoy the environment, and bring your risk down just a little bit. Just a little bit. Links are in the description down below if you guys do want to take advantage of that. It does help out the channel, of course, because I do get a commission based off you guys going in there and utilizing the platform. But in the end, you guys are really winning with free money to trade with. It's kind of amazing that way. So you guys should take advantage. Take advantage. Oh, Bitcoin, you little tease. You little tease. Oh. Terrible. Just playing with us. That was the biggest tease I've ever seen in my life. That candle close, not only above a level that once was acting as a resistance / support, but also the downtrend. And it's just like, nah, we're going back down. What? Ridiculous. Ridiculous. Triple bullish divergence on the 1 minute, and it just doesn't want to go. Come on, man. 5 minute, just super low on the stochastic, flatlining even. So unfortunate. What a tease. Oh, so sad. And then it stops us out after teasing us. No. Oh, man. Like, it would be great if we just reset the stochastic on the 5 minute. Just do that. That'd be fine. I'd be okay with that. I'd get out early. You just want to do a 50% retrace? That's fine. That's fine. I'm okay with it. With all of this? Playing games? It's not nice. It's just not nice. You know what? I think we should bring back the crypto trading tutoring sessions again. What do you guys think? I kind of enjoy doing that. Kind of enjoy it. I feel like the more people that'll learn how to trade, the better it'll be for everyone. You just learn that great old little opportunity at some idea of financial freedom. You know? To where all of a sudden you're like, oh dang, I don't need to work so many hours. I could actually live my life. Oh my Lanta. Either do it or don't. Golly. It'll be really nice when we break this little consolidation area here, because then we can raise our stop loss. And just be in the profit. And we'll be like, oh, hey, look at that. Okay, confirm breakout again. Are we going to do it? We're going to do it here, buddy. 5 minute looks like a pretty bullish candle. Pretty bullish here. Oh, it was so bullish. Now, just playing with us again. Just playing. Oh boy. Oh boy. I guess I should have marked this level out too. We're kind of bouncing off of it almost perfectly. In reality, you would normally have a stop loss below this low here because you broke out, but we didn't play by any rules on this stream, did we? That is such a shame. Did not play by any of the rules. I want to see ZBZN real quick. Do 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 do. Well, this area is a big area of concern, huh? This right here is the big bad wolf. Major inflection point. Let's see how it interacted with it. Tried 3 times. That's a lower high. Oh no. ZBZN, great for a short? Oh my Lanta? Oh, look at Ton go. Just popped up. What did Bitcoin just do? Huh. Ton was getting some movement right there, I'll tell you what. Do 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 do. Do, 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 do. Oh. Hey, that's what you're doing. How very neat. Cool. So anywhere in this little zone, we're looking for support. Awesome. Awesome sauce. I also want to see how it interacts with this. So this could be nice. Nice little opportunity at downside. Oh, you line up perfectly with this one. So we could be seeing another 12%. How interesting. Oh, Bitcoin's about to just roast us, isn't it? Yeah, Bitcoin beat us twice. Unfortunate. Bitcoin just dumping on us. Dumping on us so terribly. We just got stopped out. Oh, too bad. But yeah, ZBZN. We lose 4,685. We're going to see another 12% to the downside. Jiminy Christmas. But the closer you are to this trend line, the easier it is to short. I'd wait for the bounce. Wait for that bounce. Yeah, oversold on the 1 hour. About to hit a level. Yeah, I'd wait for that bounce. So let's say we come up, we hit it again. We're just looking for like a 618 golden retrace. That's really it. Interesting. How low is Bitcoin going? We just got stopped again. Let's get rid of everything now and let's get a better idea of where we could get some more bids. this because that doesn't matter. Put this back up here because that actually matters. Ooh. We could confirm a low right down here at the wick. Okay. This is what I'm seeing out of Bitcoin. Looks like we're going to have a weird choppy style day. We could catch a bounce off of 19,372, or we come a bit lower down here. Wait, what am I moving? Oh shit. Or we come down here to 18,907. So unfortunately we lost 2 trades, so I am done trying to day trade right now. We are staying in the ton token. We are staying in it because on the 1 hour, it still looks great. You're above the 200, above the 50, and bouncing off the VWAP as support. Nothing's indicating to me that we should be heading down further. Still looking for us to get up to $3.60. So that's going to stay the same. I'm going to be combing through the market right now, looking for trade setups for everybody. And yeah. At least you guys hung out with me while we lost 2 trades in a row and ended the day trading adventures for now. I might do a little more day trading around 2 o'clock today, my time. So I guess, what was that, 4, 5 o'clock Eastern. Might do a little bit more around that time. But other than that, I will be back later tonight. Hopefully you guys will be here for all the requests for the much easier time frames to trade off of, the 4 hour, the 1 hour, things like that. But yeah, other than that, guys, take it easy. I'm getting on out of here. Deuces, everybody. I'll see you tonight.